In this video we're going to solve some multiplication and division problems with algebraic expressions. So we're continuing from the last video, so we're starting with E here. We have x plus y over 3, none of those can be factored. The division we actually solve by changing it to multiplication and taking a reciprocal of the second part here. So the reciprocal of this, we take 6x plus 15y in the numerator and 2x plus 2y in the denominator. So now we need to factor that, so that's x plus y over 3, can't be factored. 3 is a common factor here, so that's going to leave 2x plus 5y. And 2x plus 2y, 2 is a common factor, and we're left with x plus y. So the 3 and the 3 can cancel. X plus y here is a factor, so that can cancel with the factor down here. And everything that's left is our answer. So 2x plus 5y over 2 is all that's left in the denominator. So here we have 4 minus x squared over x squared minus 3x plus 2, all divided by x plus 2 over x squared minus 9. So the first thing we're going to do is write it as a multiplication, and then we'll proceed by factoring. So we take the top fraction multiplied by the reciprocal of the bottom fraction. So we can go ahead and factor now. So that's 2 minus x and 2 plus x over x minus 2 and x plus minus 1. Make sure you're comfortable with the factoring part. Difference of squares here, so x minus 3 and x plus 3. And x plus 2 we'll put in brackets to show that it's a factor. And now we just have to cancel anything that's the same. So 2 plus x and x plus 2 are equal because they're addition, the order doesn't matter. 2 minus x and x minus 2 are not equal, but they differ only by minus 1. Remember, the signs are different, so we just have to include the minus 1 there. And that's all the things that are equivalent, so minus x minus 3 x plus 3 over x minus 1. And that's our final answer there. So we'll move ahead now and do two more. So in G, here we don't have any addition subtraction. We can simplify with the exponents first. So 18sy cubed over ax squared. Multiply that by a squared x squared. Remember, exponent rules say that if there's a squared outside, it goes with both pieces of the product inside, over 3s. So let's see, s and s can cancel. A can cancel with one of those a's. 18 can be divided by 3 to leave 6. 3 is divided by 3 to leave 1. X squared and x squared. And we write what's left. We get 6ay cubed over 1, or just 6ay cubed. And the final one then on this page and for this video is a division. So the first thing we're going to do is say, well, we change that to a multiplication. So that's times ay over bz. And we can now say, well, a and a are going to cancel. And that's actually all the things that can cancel. We end up with xy squared over bz squared. And that's our final answer for that one. So we'll end the video there. Make sure you got those right. Try the next page on your own. Then come back, watch the video, and make sure they're correct. If you have any questions, make sure you get help. We'll see you in the next lesson.